Hello everyone, I'm Lele. Welcome to Le Simple Cuisine. Scallops is one of the ingredients that itself is delicious enough. You just have to put salt in it. But we always search for some different flavor with an ingredient. So there are many ways to eat scallops. Today I want to share two of my favorite ways. Chinese steamed scallops with garlic vermicelli and French style. We'll make scallops with cream and rosemary. First, let's deal with the fresh scallops. Fresh scallops are actually not too difficult to handle. Scallops have two sides, one curvy and the other flat. We don't have to brutally force to open the scallops, just focus on the flat side to separate the meat from the shell. Use a knife like this to press against the inner shell of the flat side and gently slide it along. The moment the meat and the shell separate, the scallops open by itself. The white part in the middle is referred as meat. It's the muscle actually. And the orange part is coral, is also eatable. The side muscles could be eaten too, but it's a lot more harder. We often only keep the meat in the center. It's the best part. You want to gently press the left thumb on it and put the knife gently under the scent sac. It's the best not to puncture the sac because the inside is poop. Then pull the knife upward to separate all the surroundings parts from the meat we won't keep. It's okay if you accidentally puncture the scent sac, just have to clean it carefully. I have 8 scallops today, so we will make half of them Chinese and the other half French. First, we make Chinese style, a famous dish every Chinese loves. First, we need to soak the vermicelli for 10 minutes. We'll need a larger half of this small bundle. The sauce is very simple. It's all about the garlic. 1 whole bulb of garlic, chopped and side aside. In addition to the garlic, we just use oyster sauce and soy sauce to give it more flavor. 3 tablespoons of peanut oil in the pan. Put half of the minced garlic in it. After it got golden like this, put the other half and fry for another 10 seconds. In this way, the aroma of garlic at different stages will give the sauce a richer taste. We call it golden and silver garlic, means garlic in different stages of frying. Add a tablespoon of oyster sauce and a half teaspoon of soy sauce. This is for 4 scallops only. In fact, you could make more of this sauce. You could use it to steam shrimps, oyster, and all kinds of seafood. And add some when you do the wok. You will be surprised by the flavor. You want to cut the vermicelli shorter for this. Put them directly on the scallop. And add some sauce. Like this is ready for steaming. We'll use cold water on medium heat. Steam for 6 minutes after the water is boiled. Sprinkle some chopped green onions for a final touch. And now for the French style, rosemary. Keep the pointed leaves and remove the rest. You want to be very gentle when you do this because the scallops itself is very fragile. You want to keep it whole. Put a little butter to fry on medium heat. Adjust the time according to the size. Mine is medium, so I fry it for over 1 minute on each side. In the meantime, add some salt and black pepper. You want it to be golden like this. After it becomes like this, take them out and put them in the shell. Put more butter in the pan, some rosemary, and 4 tablespoons of French sour cream. Use low heat to melt the flavor together. I like a simpler taste for scallops. If you want to enrich the taste a bit, you can add a little bit of chopped onion or a tablespoon of white wine. After it's boiled like this, the flavors got melted together, it's done. Just pour the sauce directly on the scallops. Then it's ready. The two flavors are completely different, but they are all delicious in different ways. The Chinese style, the golden and silver garlic sauce makes it irresistible. The scent is strong and very appealing. And the French style, with French cream and rosemary blended together, you would feel its delicate fragrance. Now is the best season of eating the scallops. How about give it a go this year? Both of the Chinese and French style are easy to make and doesn't need a lot of time. If you like the video, you're welcome to subscribe and give it a thumb up. I'm Lily. See you next Thursday. Bye bye.